Hey Hungry Buzz fans, welcome back. I want to thank all of you for all your support, and for those who aren't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and like the video. Today we're going to have another installment of recreating the celebrity dish. What we're going to make is seared scallops, and we're going to follow Gordon Ramsay's tried and proven method of making perfect scallops. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to follow this recipe and how it tastes. You guys ready? Alright, let's get started. Alright, for this recipe what we're going to do is we're going to use some pink Himalayan sea salt, some black pepper, some nice sea scallops there. I'm using Irish butter, so got some Kerrygold, and of course olive oil. Alright. Okay, so as always, I like using the cast iron skillet. Cast iron skillet has great results every time, has a nice solid design which distributes the heat very well. We're going to make this piping hot, as he says, for these scallops. So let's go ahead and turn that heat up on high. Okay, so we followed the recipe. We're done with our scallops, and we seared it according to Gordon Ramsay's tried and proven method to making perfect scallops. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. Would you like to give it a taste?
Sure.
You take one? It is good. So the tips there, make sure that pan is piping hot. What that does is it actually creates a caramelization layer on that scallop so it doesn't stick to the pan. Don't be afraid to leave it on there for a while. You want to flip it over only when it's ready to be released from the pan, and that takes a little bit of time and high heat. Delicious. So hey, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you like my videos, and subscribe. Every week I'm making more recipes, and I'm also doing different things, so leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.